Menteri Rangba Kajala Ulaong, Kajing Pynkhreh iaka plan but design jong ka Secretariat ka thymmai ha New Shillong, Kelaya chat but lakmi renti, baha ubnai leber anla ban pendap iaka. Ulaong baha katayo ka banwan, unsa kmi iaka design but mariadap, ngi kmi renti baha ubnai risau jong uni usnam, sedang iaka jingtre. Iaka ni Chief Minister Conrad ki sangma, Ulaong habakran ha kajingalang plipat ba yaki mau nong rim yakilai teli ki surok ha New Shillong ha kajingalang kabalong ha Hotel Vivanta Shillong ha ka arpo sao tarik kalalingkat. Kini ki surok bathamai ki kentup ya ka surok lom siap Belafonte sa New Shillong township na sauli lingba ka maupat ka surok briba maupat sa IAS colony sauli bat ka jingshna pynbha bat pynheh ya ka Shillong ding paso naka khatsau kilometer hadu arphuway point arpho kilometer. Chief Minister ula pentep baya kini ki surok khat tender no hai kini ki khindat tayo bat ka jingtray ru kan sedang hai kini ki hinriu benai banwan. Ha kani ka jingalang nalor Chief Minister Conrad ki sangma layadan lang usimbut Menteri Rangba Kajala Preston Tensong ki engineer ka PWD bat kiway.
That we are for the first time seeing a planned and a focused approach to actually make this particular dream of decongesting Shillong into a reality. And while I say that, just so that I can explain, that today the presentation given by our Secretary Urban, he was mentioning about creating a better city so that better livable conditions are there. What is important to also note, it's not about just the new Shillong city or the new administrative city that needs to be better. We need to make the current existing Shillong better also. And therefore it is both. So while we create new infrastructure, new Shillong township and new administrative city outside and away from the current Shillong city, what do we do to make Shillong city better also? And hence the decongestion that we do will allow us to not only have a new infrastructure outside, but will allow us to now improve Shillong city as we see it today. And while we're doing that, I hope that all of you must have seen also, and those who did not realize much in terms of the work, that in the last 5 years, the kind of projects that are going on in Shillong as we speak have actually never been done in the past. Large number of urban projects, and you will see as we start inaugurating one after another, you will realize what kind of transformation is actually taking place in Shillong city as we speak. Now, when I say that, I'm not saying that we are resolving all the problems. Of course, there are many challenges. But the pace at which the transformation is starting, that pace has never been there in the past also. And you will also see many new projects that are going to come up. So for example, when I say that the administrative city is going to shift, our intention is to shift the entire administration, the secretariat, the departments, and bring them under one block. So that orange section is where the new Shillong township, where the administrative city, where we'll have all the secretariats, all the different kind of government offices, everything will be under one block. So if you can see, the two roads that we're making now, the red and the purple, are going to lead straight to that new administrative city. And hence you will not have to go through this entire traffic jam to access the new secretariat. The red line, the route that you're seeing, that's a 49 crore project, which we are proposing now, is going to be a double lane highway about 6.5 or 7 kilometers long, which is going to go straight to the new secretariat. We will have different kind of bus services, different kind of public utility, all of these things planned along the way, of course, with all your support. Because if community is not involved in this, we will not be able to do it successfully. And hence, this is where the new administrative city or the secretariat will come up. And as was mentioned by our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, we are already at the planning stage where the design for this new secretariat is being worked out as we speak. We are expecting that by the month of March, we should be finished and completed.
nginyo iya ki jingker ku ki bansawan hagani ki khandiat tali ki stand ki banwa. Only for this small inauguration function, laying foundation stone function, I calculated this about 130 crore plus investment is being made by the government. Bagi wei keserkaan antara kata ke peluang amaran pulau, bagi peluang ke function ke bahaya, ingin kan? Action speaks louder. Non kam begini keren ya surok. Action speaks louder. Kata kawan aku akan kot, ban ong, bangin ya keren. Ya kan ni kecing aku arti. Kin perkelah ya kecela Meghalaya jadi kamtam ya kan ni township. Investment di pynbha kapag surok kelaskan. Sa khandit kelisnen ya ka Secretariat but the office sarkar par will be shifted but mapi kinong ilam stong hakite ki area kabaning ko pide ki badon boktam hanne po Meghalaya Meghalaya baka capital jongi benta ka state capital Omshu ha ul Shillong. Andai hante po di Shillong.